this is Deepak. Welcome to our channel. After a demand from our clients, they are asking for such videos. Those are helpful for the electrical students also. So in the same chain, I am today presenting one of the topic for the economic load dispatch with the 40 channels, right? So 40 bus system, we are working with the ELD. ELD is basically economic load dispatch, in which the output of the systems is being controlled. The power from the different inputs are to be maintained, that how much power is to be taken from which power plant to get a desired output, right? Desired power, to achieve the desired power. So that is basically the economic load dispatch. By reducing the cost will be in the money. So because as the electricity is being used or the power is being used, the units are being consumed, and we need to pay. So in for that we have implemented this system with the two optimization algorithms. One is MFO, Moth Flame optimization, another one is GWO, Gray Wolf optimization. So these systems are basically implemented by using the MATLAB systems. So it is giving us that which power system should give how much power, and what will be the cost that is going to be charged to us, along with the different scenarios, right? So for this we have used the 40 units data set. You can see this we have taken from some reference website. You can take also have this. So this is the 40 units data which is used for the research purpose. When we are going to run this, it will process it for the MFO as well as for the GWO, and at the end it will do the comparison that what exactly we have achieved from the proposed methodology. Optimization algorithms are basically the random solution providers which are giving solutions for the NP hard problems. For example, the random solutions will be given, which one is the best one, they are going to save it, and at the end, by repeating the process for updating the results, so it will give a one final best result at the output. For more theory, you can read the swarm intelligence algorithms. The basic one was PSO and ACO, might be you guys are aware about that. So for the electrical, it is hard to do the implementation in the code, so that's why I'm giving this details for those guys, so that they can easily implement or can have assistance from us also. For any kind of the swarm intelligence, we have specialization for the electrical, electronics, wireless, in the computer science, IT, and many other fields. So you can contact us directly for discussing your problem, and can have these solutions from us also. So let's start the code to be processed. You can see that as the number of iterations are being processed, and it is very fast, so the complexity of the system is very less. At end, the comparison of the MFO and the GW algorithm is shown. It shows that the GW is giving the less generation power with respect to MFO, and the MFO is much better with respect to GW, and comparative analysis is being done with the previous algorithms also. Those values have been taken from the previous research papers, the literature study. You can see the MFO was giving the better results with respect to GW, KHA, TLBO, and many other algorithms. So this is how number of factors being calculated as generated power, the fitness value that is achieved, and the comparison is being done for the generated powers also. So I think this topic has been very interesting for you guys, and you can do some improvements with yourself, or can also contact us for the same. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned to our networks. We are providing recent topics for the electrical domains in the coming days also, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video.